station, the Lone Star State, you will be selecting two cities from the Texas City cards. You will be writing down El Paso, Houston, South Padre, Austin, Dallas, or Amarillo on the Lone Star State chart. So for the two cities that you selected, you're going to write down their names. Then you will go to weatherspark.com where you are going to be comparing the air temperature, precipitation, and wind direction of these two cities. So if you select El Paso, you will write it down. And then over here on the side, I can look up the air temperature and I'm able to select a date. So if I want to look at the temperature that it was on February 17th, the average temperature was 66 degrees. So on my chart, I will write down El Paso and then air temperature 66 degrees. I will do the same thing for precipitation and wind direction. Then for the second city that was selected, you will write down the air temperature, precipitation, and wind direction for that city. Then at the bottom, you are going to be calculating the difference. What is the difference in air temperature, precipitation, and wind direction? What is the difference? How do you get the difference? What operation do you need to use? Then you will be using the city cards and programming your Sphero Bolt to move from a city that you researched to an activity card that matches the weather data. Once you get to the card, you are going to be adding in a special effect. You will need to open up Sphero EDU from Google Play. And once Sphero EDU opens, you are going to be selecting programs on the left-hand side. You will press the plus sign to create a new program and name your program Texas Cities. You are going to select Blocks, Sphero Bolt, and Create. Once Sphero EDU opens, you are going to be programming your bolt to roll from the Texas City card to the activity card that matches the activity that could be done for that particular type of weather. So if it's 66 degrees, what activity card can you match it to? If it's 110 degrees, what activity card can you match it to? You will program the bolt to move to both city cards and activity cards. Once you have completed coding, you are going to go back and answer the reflection questions. What new coding block did you use to program that you have not used before? And why did you add this block to your program? What is one celebration you had while programming? What is one challenge you encountered while programming? And how did you overcome it? And explain how you matched a city to a weather card. Have fun programming the Lone Star State.